Wagwan everybody, Jamaican Otaku. And it's been a while. It's been a really long time. I'm a little nervous, shy. You know what I mean? 'Cause I ain't shown myself in such a long time, so um, kinda don't know what to say. But it's all cool. I can see myself on the laptop. It's lit. It's like 10:20. Um, but I kind of want to do the video here because, um, like I said, it's been a while. I'm showing myself on YouTube. I really do my video them normally like me did say me I go do my One Piece and my Baruto and Dragon Ball Super. Me not keep up to date with them damn little video them but me normally wouldn't drop for no more time. But wow, video output low. Tool not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming as such viewers will experience buffering. Jeez. I think that think one time that record to it why it move so slow? It should not move slow. Anyway, I so messed up. Cause I know so interesting to YouTube have this new thing now set up where you can actually, use the camera way up on your laptop and stream directly. I'm pretty sure you could have did that before, but YouTube makes it easier now, where it automatically activates your camera on your laptop. So yeah, goodness man, why is that? Let me see if Jamaican Otaku, Wagwan. It's been is it still continuing? I don't know. I don't know. This might be two separate videos. Anyway, Jamaican Otaku. It's been a while, like I said. I'm acting like I'm not even savvy to this thing. Wagwan. It's been a while, like me say, because due to the fact that like me say, I'm not keep up to date with my Baruto, or I can't even say like me say, because the thing is, what happened is now I do the video, look like me stop it. I don't know if I see in video, if still a stream from the time being. Let's see, videos. See, the stream is continuing, so I say, video manager. So I don't know, like I said, me did a stream before, and we probably did stop it, so I don't know if that video did get saved, and probably not. I don't know. Anyway, so like I said, it's been a while, and I not keep up to date with me, my Naruto, correction, Baruto, my Dragon Ball Super, and my One Piece like we regularly did I do. So I was seeing myself on there. I don't know what happened. Anyway, I keep up to date with them there, and that's due to the fact that from where they first off I got a job, so well, no, first off I have a family, so that kind of I have my kids and not my wife. My wife doesn't get in the way, but or my kids don't get in the way at least. But what happens is, if you do this YouTube, like me say at 10:24 night, and that the best time me can get because the kids them asleep at this time, So my best time for me really make videos. Second of all, I got a job now, so it's way harder to do what I used to do as far as playing video games and put it on here. Oh boy. Yeah. That is sleep, isn't it? But yeah. Have a drink of water. See if that'll help. But you have to do that video, yeah, still because couple of things are going lately. Like me saying, I'm gonna get one job. I know Dragon Ball Super is over now, the anime at least. I don't know, the manga probably still is ongoing, you know, probably still illustrate that differently. Um, Manga, you know, pretty sure still a go on. Um, Pretty sure Boruto are going the same way as far as the manga and the anime are going, but me not really keep, like I say, I haven't been able to keep up to date with it, or else more than I drop videos fluidly, you know, frequently. Um, I was saying that, you know, with the One Piece manga, me there I go consecutively, you know, drop videos, you know, but last time I dropped a video was chapter 896, so, well, me definitely I got to, like, me know, say right now, One Piece there, chapter, One Piece there right now at chapter 900, so I don't know when. I gotta do, like, before it reach 901, I gotta do like 4 chapter review, you know, like a 4 chapter, year 97, year 98, year 99, and then 900, you know, I'm gonna drop all of them video there. But it kind of skim to them, so I kind of have an idea what I'm going. And then, you know, like me say, normal, I'm go up on my YouTube and review them, look at things that way, man, them talk about still. But, other than that, no. Um, Otherwise, I know Dragon Ball Super done, you know. You know, Goku reach a white hair farm. You know, in Ultra Instinct, you know, and the Mandarin duke it out. And get to at least watch it still, but my take on that, we'll probably leave that for a separate video, you know. Well, I'm say One Piece there, chapter 900 now. Oh, I got to see the Black Panther movie. So if you notice in my thumbnail, I have like the Killmonger mask. I took a lot of time to do that. Did it right before I got on here. So like I actually, like, you know, I was sleeping. I woke up, you know, got to work on that, and then just said, yo, I'm a stream right now. Like, it's the best time. So best time for me stream. Hopefully I talk clear enough, you know, cause you know, say sometime when I do them stream here at night time, it would kind of sound like me mumble, or, you know, me not talk clear enough. But yeah, that still like me say, me get to see Black Panther, so that did good. You know, more kind of see if me can catch me at a little Marvel movie them. Like this, I could be total real. So, oh, that's too far though. I want to mash up things. There's only one person watching. It's always one person watching. I know if I see 2 people watching this, probably my mother, if she ever get the chance more time, she always watch and say, hey son. So, one time, you know, my sister watch, still at 26 subscribers still, you know. One day me try to do, like a thing where, like, me do a stream, you know, cause normally me stream my videos instead of just record them and then set them up later, you know, like, rather just stream them because I go straight to it, you know, and then at the same time, hopefully we can get that interactive flow, where I get to where I get to interact with, you know, like, whoever is viewing at the time, or whatever the case may be. You know, the streaming to me is just a little bit more social, you know. Get to put me, you know, on place with me subscriber them, or, you know, my aka reactors, you know, because we're going to be doing them reactions as far as, you know, later on goes, when my video, or when my YouTube channel, you know, buster, like being Jakite. But otherwise, from that still, like, I get to see the Black Panther movie, which is really cool for me, because you know, I did want to really catch that, and I get to do that. It was a really good time still, because what I know is me kind of like to keep up with the Marvel thing. Like me say, you see them here. Let y'all see those first of all. These are my brother gave me these. I think we talked about this, but it doesn't matter. We could talk about it again, because I love them. My brother gave it to me. Kind of gave me a how should I say, like this drive to want to definitely do my YouTube thing, and have a background set up. So that's Avengers. It's one of them comics. I never really looked it up. Didn't need to, but probably I should. And that's X-Men. Both of them Marvel. I do the Batman, the DC too, but we're not talking about that right now. We're talking about that Marvel scene right now. And right now, like I said, I get to see Black Panther, which is really cool. Now I got to talk about it so much because I don't know whoever, what I'm 26 subscribers, and whoever I get to watch it, I don't really want to spoil it, isn't it? But otherwise than that, no. I get to see Black Panther, and that is really cool because it one of the Marvel movie them in 2018 where it set up for the other Marvel movie them, which I can't wait to see. I never really did like put it like this. I always did really want to keep up with Marvel movie them, and I lose track from probably I think I did see Iron Man. I definitely say Iron Man 1, and then I say Iron Man 2. I think Iron Man 2 at one time and put on them suit on a racetrack with a briefcase. I think Iron Man 3 when all of them did attack him. All them Iron Man suit them did go up against him because the system did have some kind of glitch or something. I don't really remember how that did go still, but they definitely say the first Avengers, which was with Loki, and I think that was the first time them did show Thanos, which is in the first Avengers. I did see Captain America when he fight against Red Skull, and Bucky did it. I never get to see Winter Soldier though. I never get to see Civil War, so I miss out on them too there. But I see Black Panther. I definitely want to see Infinity War, and then want to see Deadpool 2. Did I see Deadpool 1? No, I didn't see Deadpool 1, but I did see all of the other X-Men and Wolverine movies. Didn't see the new Fantastic Four. Didn't see any of the new Spider-Man other than the Tobey Maguire. Which his doesn't have anything to do with any of the Marvel movies now, or even the Spider-Man both after him. It's the new Spider-Man now, the Homecoming, which has a lot to do with the Marvel movies now. So the first two is just like to show you what kind of emotional kid Peter Parker was and what kind of suits he had and whatever, or his, what was going on in his life before, he met Shield and Nick Fury. So yeah, whenever I get to see them one day, still, the one after Tobey Maguire and the newest one. But they did really good for see Black Panther. Definitely want to see Deadpool 2 and want to see Infinity War, and then Deadpool 2 I think come out after that. Any other Marvel movies? Venom. Venom is definitely gonna be out, and the interesting thing about Venom now, which I don't think this movie is gonna be anything in relate to, because before me even talk about that, I know say with the Marvel movie them and the comics them do kinda have some similarities, but they are parallel, completely parallel to each other. So that's an interesting thing. But what I do know is that the movie them definitely get them ideas from the comics. So it'll be interesting to see which part. Of course, I think the movie Venom gonna be based on the Venom we always did see with Eddie Brock. Not the one from Tobey Maguire, but like probably just a different, Marvel Studios basically. Um, a more beefed up, beefed head Venom, Eddie Brock or something, not the kid from that '70s show, which wasn't muscle bound at all or even built. Anyway, which was interesting, to like that Eddie Brock didn't show the side of Eddie Brock, which when he wasn't, I'm pretty sure like, all right, what happened is no, Eddie Brock like when never did I try really when the symbiote or Spider-Man or not symbiote when the symbiote or Venom itself, and then did I try to go for Peter Parker and Spider-Man based on Eddie Brock's inner feelings. Otherwise than that, I think he was like a good guy, I think he was like this vigilante or something. Where did I try to save people or something, which end up him. I don't think it's no. That the Venom that would end up Avengers, no. Would end up the giant Avengers, the new Avengers. I think that was a different. I don't even think that was Eddie Brock. Anyway, can't wait to see what that movie there about Venom. That'll be interesting. So you have Infinity War, you have Deadpool 2, and then you have Venom. I don't know if I'm missing anything other than that. What I wish me to get to keep up with like the Marvel Netflix movies them, cause like Doctor Strange, me never get to watch Doctor Strange either. That would be good. Me never get to see as far as the Doctor Strange, I know that came out in the movie theaters, but the Netflix movies now, or the Netflix series, I know they had Iron Fist, which is a very important character to the Marvel, Marvel or the Avengers history, as far as the new Avengers go. And then you have Luke Cage, you got Carol Danvers, or Miss Marvel, I think her name is. Anyway, long story short, we get to see Black Panther. That is really good. So, whenever I get to do any more Marvel versus Capcom Infinite videos, I'm definitely picking some Black Panther, some T'Challa. Definitely. And as usual, I normally pick Winter Soldier. I'm gonna continue picking that because not only is he I like that character as far as in the game goes. Easter egg, he is at the end of the movie. So sorry for the spoiler. I did say Easter egg, so if you know anything about Easter eggs, you probably would have stopped the video or fast forwarded. But so yeah, that's why I'll be doing the combos in the whenever I do them two, I do them as partners, Black Panther and Winter Soldier, or White Wolf, or Bucky Barnes, whatever you want to call him. So, other than that, other than my posters on the wall and my cool Ninja Turtle shirt, I don't know if I'm gonna get to do any more videos for a while, other than the One Piece one. Reason being is because I'm saying, I work, gotta pay them bills, so, and it's a little tiring trying to get onto YouTube and trying to record yourself more time as far as in the night goes, because like I said, it's really hectic in the day when your studio is in the living room. So yeah, I gotta wait till them kids are sleeping. Otherwise than that, and you're probably asking yourself, so you have all this stuff set up in the living room? Yes, I do. It's on this side that my wife does use this side too, but she doesn't mind. She actually doesn't. I don't. She doesn't hate it. She doesn't love it. She won't. She really won't kind of like sit down and watch it unless it's really, 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 really interesting. Like it has to be something like non-fictional. You know what I mean? Like she knows of the characters, especially Naruto. She knows I'll be on my Naruto mess, but she, like I said, she don't hate it. She doesn't dislike it either. She it's whatever. She does. She definitely. Let me tell you one thing. My wife doesn't mind how coordinative, or how you see how I have it all neat. Like my wife definitely likes that it's all neatly up there. One and two, they're all nice looking, you know, so it makes sense. It really does look like a poster wall. So, you know, that's really cool, you know. Which that's what I intended it to do. A nice background backdrop. I kind of like that. Um, versus, you know, I don't know if I'll ever do the whole green thing. It all depends, cause originally how I did want my channel to set up, you know, was like, for instance, you know, like definitely I did want it to be like a studio type thing where we don't have like, you know, me, my brother, my pretty much he's a friend of mine, so he's my best friend. I'm not a relative, so I'm really my best friend. And then this other brethren of mine, you know, but before we all pretty much play games, and you know, we pretty much come from the island, so we don't represent that island feel, island touch to the gaming world, you know. And not only that, we don't bring forth, you know, some reviews like as always, you know. But what we don't do, you know, like I say, we don't kick it off, you know. Me and my brother we don't start it off first, you know, and then we don't have my guests, we don't have my little guest them and thing, you know. And how it would work out now, you know, we don't talk about you know how any other gaming YouTube channel work out still, but it, like I said, would have this Jamaican touch. As far as it's, I'm gonna use no profanity. You know, I'm gonna really curse. I'm gonna try. I do, but you know, I'm gonna try to do that on the YouTube because you know, I really want to get that support. You know, from Picnic, from all about. You know, so I definitely wouldn't want it to be a situation where you know, parent, I watch and you know. Yeah, me I fling one bag of bad word and thing, you know. And of course, anybody who me up on the show, it wouldn't be the same thing, you know. Them wouldn't grown enough, you know, say, yo, we not put no bad word on the channel and things too, you know. But probably the game them would probably be a little bit mature, but you know, when I have my thing professionally set up where when I make sure the intended viewers would know that and thing, you know, when I definitely have that set up. So like me saying, you know, we don't talk about my game and thing, and of course it would have been me and my brother would not there and would not talk about say for instance, you know, him love FIFA. So definitely me did, you know, would incorporate, you know, FIFA in my channel where we don't talk about the stats sheet, you know, the spreadsheet, what go on within the league and the trades and the roster views and you know, and I talk about the real life world stuff versus what go on in the FIFA, you know, and at the same time, you know, we don't talk about the FIFA mechanics and incorporate them business and so on and so forth, and then, you know, like me say, definitely, you know, it would bring like this thing to the channel, like, you know, me can do it, I can't do it, you know, but you know, you want to have this vibe where people can relate to, you know. Of course, people wouldn't want to see me all day, but, you know, you want to have just something other than me, something to have the energy being shared, you know, where, you know, my personal outlook is not always the same way everybody else I got always have a look, you know. And sometimes you need the energy to change up more time. Not really for bad, but sometimes you need somebody that if mix it up a little bit, you know what I say? So nobody else but my brother would have other than that. You know. So, you know, we don't do that on the channel and that would be a nice little Jamaican thing we have set up because like I say, a straight path to the thing, you know, we don't just do it and or we don't, you know, we don't just chat about the game them, chat about some manga, some anime, cartoons, some comics, you know. Um, I'll tell you one thing. He doesn't. He does know a lot about you know Marvel and Naruto and Dragon Ball Super, but I kind of have more knowledge than him because I'm older than him. So that would be you know another thing. You know I could sit there and chat all day while him sit down there and just try and best to listen while him play a game. You know it would be a little distracting, but you know at the same time while me I feed him information, you know my viewers out there you know couldn't get the same information, and it would be a nice little interaction thing with the viewers them, and little family thing, and so we don't do it still, because then don't really know how me as YouTube, or don't really see the most of me come out, um other than that still, no real new update to the channel. I still I try my best to get this one device, so let me see I can really hey, we have 2 people I watch now. Welcome to Jamaican Otaku. Yeah. Yeah. So there, and just talking about not much really, just rambling on about the channel, and what I could have had done for the channel, and if you are watching and you want to say anything in the comment box, otherwise then the usual. But no new games. Otherwise, I was telling somebody the other day about some video games that I was playing, and it's a situation where I start get tired now. Like I start sleep when I play a game, and I start to realize that man, how much how much gaming we can get into, but I guess not enough. Not enough, because yeah, I know it's Ninja Turtle. See if I can see alright. Get all 4 turtles in there. What crazy? It's a funny story. So, me when me did I put on a shirt, after more on first yesterday now, and my look at son now, him did I go hold on first too, and him I go put on film shirt now. So after a while now, me just reaching with a box of pizza, and kind of coincidental, because I said, look, me just reaching with the box of pizza. Me have on my shirt. Him have on film shirt, and film one more a little bit more designish, because him film one green thing, but film one have on one of Ninja Turtle, them have an actual box of pizza. So I said, watch out. I get ready to mash up some pizza. We have a Ninja Turtle shirt. But yeah, so big up yourself though, Maxine, you the hate. The text messages, the comments, they save now in the YouTube. So like later on when you go watch, so like you go watch a video here, the comments them, you get to see the comments them while it did live. So that a while it a live stream. So like that play better for me who live stream, because I don't really do the whole video recording and then upload it later thing, kind of try to do it now. So let me see what would be an interesting thing to talk about or do. Probably this could be one of the videos that after it's done, or even like now with Maxime you're watching, and whoever the first person is, what I could do is like when time when I'm ready, I could like, because as usual me always a live stream, so like when me a live stream, I can just post it on the Facebook and them thing, let's see. Probably because up to this point now, sorry about that. I'm gonna see that pull up right. I can see that come up right now. Hold on, let me see how that did look. That come up in a second. Well, miss no me I watch it because it's like a elapsed time, like couple seconds off. That's like 2 minutes or something. Like, I guess I basically like my Wipe off my mouth corner, isn't it? Yeah. So, what happens now? Like, me so when I can like put up on the YouTube like when time really ready to like start try to get them viewers there from Facebook and stuff. I know some of them have to do more videos or really set up myself for them viewing the or entertainment there. Because if me even not gonna entertain a crowd, me really have to have the time. And with a job now, 6 days a week, 5 days, but sometimes them marks, no, it's not. I don't know, a cup of water. Yeah, follow Deb's advice with the water. So, man, I was, man, it's funny. Um, there's some ice cream in the fridge, some new ice cream, and it's actually coffee chocolate chip. So I guess that's the coffee right there. But I don't really do the coffee anymore. Um, I'm more into the iced coffee thing. And it's like the fake iced coffee, where it's like almost watered down. Not because of the ice, but more or less because um, it doesn't have that strong, rich black coffee taste. Wake up. I wish it was a little wake up, some sips. Not the scissorbs, but some other sips. The or the jankro. That's not profanity, one, and that's mature audience. So, and the Jamaican picnic talk about some jankro. I mean some jankro. I don't know. Probably I'm not saying it right, but what is it? The a jankro? No. I don't really remember. You remember something? The thing is, I up here in my band and I don't really know too much Jamaican slang. But what else I know about it? Oh man, lost my train of thought. It's alright. It's good for oh, I was talking about the iced coffee. So, like what I noticed, like couple of restaurants you serve them iced coffee different. Like you will literally have somebody like have like the coffee machine, you make like the black coffee, and then like alright, let me tell you what I used to do it when I used to work on a restaurant, right? I used to do the coffee machine where you put the grinded up coffee and the little paper thing, and then you put it in a machine. And you lock it up, turn on your water or your heater or whatever it do. Them time they it a brew. So when it brew out the coffee now in a cup now, you get some strong that is coffee. When we used to work at a restaurant there, I used to work with this other little virgin, one next little Zoe youth. When I say Zoe, a Haitian youth still, about my age still. This was about 4 years ago or something about 26. And cut long story short, basically, as though youth here, he used to work at the other side of the line. Me used to deliver the food, he used to make the food. So in the morning when the youth here used to come in our place, the man used to say, oh, because say, yo, me used to be the barista. You see me I say? So when he want to feed coffee, the man say, yo, when he say black, when the man say black, the man mean just straight. When the cup drop in that cup, pour out in that cup, that's how he want it. Interesting thing, you say you used to want it black like him because he used to be really dark skin, so say coffee have a black. Nothing in there, no sugar, no creamer, no ice, nothing, just straight. So I want it. Anyway, so how me used to do my ice coffee now, and used to make that drop in a cup now. Used to, how me used to do it now? Cause me used to have my ice. And then I used to have like my creamer. But we used to do the whipped cream to the Cool Whip. You see me? So at the end of the day, you know, it used to get like vanilla type, like man, it's been a while since I worked at a restaurant, so like I said, me used to mash up a iced coffee still. Like me used to make so much of it where this next youth used to say, yo, I am used to tell me say, yo, me was the barista. Him let me know what a barista was, like the coffee maker basically. So you see me? That me used to do, yo. Me used to make them black, make them creamed up. Don't matter. I was the barista making coffee. But it's been a, you know, like normally me we go McDonald's and get on iced coffee here and there, and you know, or me go like nowadays we just get like a small hot cup of chocolate tea basically, you know, like ilka powder with I think they just use hot water and the little Nestle powder. That's just how me get it nowadays, because you know when I reach out work I just wanted some warm. Interesting thing, man. Long time I drink that now. So to me I drink it so fast now. In hot water, you can feel the heat just like it. And this is the crazy part. It kind of feel good, cause it just you feel the hotness in there. You say yeah, feel like it a bust, I guess, you know. But the thing about it, it feel too hot. So you say, you don't know, that too bad for you, you know. But kind of feel good still. So you do they mash up your hot chocolate tea, you see me? But so that still. You know, I mean, we get iced coffee more time, but I don't have like coffee at the house. Like I would have to buy a coffee machine. And you know what's the interesting thing, mommy? And anybody? Oh, there's only one person watching now. Sad. Well, if mommy gets to watch this later, you know what's the interesting thing? In order for me to start taking in coffee in my life like that, I would have to up my appliances in my house. So I think I would have to get like some sort of coffee like the coffee machine basically, or the coffee maker, which the only appliances I have now is like the oven, the toaster, the microwave. You need the toaster for toasting bread and bagels, and then the microwave for the pancakes. you know you don't use microwave for pancakes really. You use microwave to just heat up stuff, but they have the already made pancakes, so you know um well, there's other little appliances too, but the coffee maker now, or I don't know how I would I'd have to be making coffee like every day. But yeah. Um so yeah, that's it for me and coffee, and everything else. Yeah, not much to talk about when you don't have much to talk about other than to talk about. Well, I'll tell you one thing. I did have this other cool idea that I was gonna do. I was gonna show you all some drawings that I used to do like years ago, you know. Because I used to draw. Be a quick story. I used to draw. I don't anymore. Honestly, I don't anymore. I wish I did kind of had it in a direction where and that's why to be honest, doing YouTube, it's a way of expression, and just to me it's like just this new wave basically. um what doing a live stream discussion right now? Bet you there's thousands of people watching him right now just for a live stream discussion of One Piece chapter 900. But if I said I'll do a chapter 900 One Piece, it's fine. I'll still got two people watching. Anyway, um, so what I know, I was gonna do like I said, I see basically YouTube as this wave, not too sure where it's going, but as the surfer, I'm going to try to surf it, right? And how I'm going to start it off, if I could get into drawing or game designing or computer, computer, give it to me. I'll tell you what it is. A computer technician, basically. If I could have gotten into any one of those using YouTube, I would try. But I know normally the best route is school, which I was doing. I was trying to get my GED and see, if that could, open up, some more floodgates for me. But that kind of got a detour. So as far as drawing or game designing or computer technician go, I'm just gonna leave it up to God, the Most High, and see if I could get lucky anywhere. I'm gonna try, some more hard work and dedication, determination. But in the meantime, so I don't become miserable and think that, I'm like I'm sitting here and like I'm so miserable, I can't do anything, I'll just do some YouTube in the meantime, kind of get my ideas on a platform that can be broadcast, to people who may think, after some form of success that I have, I can be reached out to, or, you could, this here will show that personality where, if I do make it anywhere, this is like a preview of what's to come, whether it's entertainment, if I'm going to entertain, basically, if I was going to do any drawing, though, I always thought, I do like anime. I do like the Japanese thing, as far as, Naruto, Dragon Ball Super goes. But I think originally, I don't know. I don't want to sound like an idiot. I don't know if there's any American-born people that actually do manga. You know what I mean? All of the manga that I read are actually the illustrators of it are actually all Japanese. Oda for One Piece, Dragon Ball Super was that Akira Toriyama. Kishimoto is Naruto. Don't I forgot to do Kubo something is for Bleach. Anyway, so if I had to do drawing though, I would hope that I could get a deal with like Marvel. That would be awesome. So Stanley, if you ever see this, I I'm a big Marvel dude, man. So put me in the game. I could get them, I could get them things done, you know, however it's done. Anyway, so let's stop the talking. I'm gonna grab some of these stuff now. Hopefully my camera's good enough where, the focusing ain't that bad or whatever, so. Stuff here. It's not gonna be too much stuff. You know what I mean? But it will be stuff. Alright, so like I said, hopefully my camera could focus in. Let's see, let's test it out. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Yeah. Well, see, after a while I started realizing, like, if I'm gonna draw, if I'm gonna do stuff, I'm gonna do, like, obviously this is the shoulder, that's the head, this is the chest, upper chest body part, that line there is the spine, or just the stance, it helps. This here is the waist, abdomen, and so on and so forth, and then, you have the legs, and let me see how that looks on there. Well, this character here, what he was doing, that's Jiraiya from Naruto. Damn, bro. This one is pretty interesting. This one here is, my brother actually did this. And you're probably wondering, yo, what is that? What is this character doing? And his jeans are pretty tight. Pretty cool belt, right? And he must have on one of them shirts with the sleeves and nice watch. Pretty bad chain. Well, not a chain, shades. Check out the Adam's apple. And my brother could draw. Me and him used to always been in competition. Like this here is his Blanca. Like this is his Blanca. We're gonna look for my Blanca later. Alright, this is Blanca. Alright. I'll show you my Blanca later. So obviously, let me tell you who that character is. That was Ice, the Jamaican dancer. I'm pretty sure it was. Like if I asked him, yo bro, who was that character that you drew? He'll tell me that was Ice, the dancer from Jamaica. One of Boogle's apprentice. Oh no, Bogle was the apprentice, I would say. Okay, so this is supposed to be Batman. Unfinished. And this one here is something that I was doing myself. Like, well, obviously that says Ryu, right? But, you know, I don't know if I was drawing like a guy with two faces, two different emotions or something. You know what I mean? Like, you can see like his mouth is, one is smiling, the other side is, yeah. And then we have, this character is supposed to, is that two different faces in one? Yeah, oh, it does. It seems like almost two faces in one. His nose there, mouth, and then that one there. Okay, now this one is bad. I like this one. This one I did when I used to spend my times alone. This was supposed to be Spider-Man in his iron spider suit. Let's see. Yeah, the one with the three yeah, like the yeah, man, Iron Spidey. I used to draw heavy. So that's what I mean. Like if Stan Lee was supposed to be like, yo, I'll give you a contract for like a 1 year. I'm telling you, I used to be, look, Daffy Duck, I'll be on my tunes. I'll be on them. And I don't trace. I mean, I'll tell you one thing. I'll look at like, all right, I could look at that, and then I could try my best to draw it as best as I can. Like, the characters won't look the same. But if I have it in front of me for like a long time, like if I could just look at it and draw it, then definitely I could probably have it looking identical. But I don't really like to trace. I don't know what this is, man. It's supposed to be Sasuke. This is like me when I was like, oh yeah, I can't wait to start drawing Naruto. But that was, you know, like, this is Goku. So obviously I think I drew this one. Like this is what I mean when I'll draw it like out of my head. Like I know the detail stuff. Like you already know the Dragon Ball Z characters gotta have the knitted eyebrow here, and then the hair has to be the swoop, and then the other hair is swooped over with the line, and you'll see it. Here we got bushy brow. It's supposed to be like a little scene. This guy is looking at this guy, and then all going up, and then he hit some of the yeah. It's supposed to be Ryu and Ken, obviously. So I was like, I'm gonna be an architect. But then this is me supposed to be designing a house. But to be honest, that's not where my passion lies, man. No, I think I did this. I thought my brother did this. To be honest, he probably did this. I think my brother did this. I think he did this. He definitely did this, right? But I don't know. Like I said, me and him be competition. Alright, so like this is another one of his, right? It's the Prince of Persia. And then I'll show you mine later. Always the details, bro. Check check out the details, bro. Like you can't get details like that. Obviously, well, it doesn't look like the Prince of Persia guy, but if the Prince of Persia guy wasn't created yet, and my brother created that character, you'd be like, yo, that's an awesome looking character. So yeah, it's supposed to be doing some more of my practicing of my lines and stuff. Oh yeah, this is one of my personal favorites. This is Jiraiya kicking one of the pains. You know what I mean? You could probably see it. So this is his leg. Wham. Right? This is the other one. This is so it's like a swinging kick. And then this is his back. You know what I mean? This is his hand. This is him looking at it. This here, because of the ninja style that he's in, he took on this mode called the Toad Sage mode. So this is one of the toads sitting. I think this is Ma Toad, and then you have Pa Toad on the other side. And because he's a man of many jutsus, he has to carry this big scroll on his back. But yeah, Naruto. One time for the Naruto. Oh, here we have Jin Kazama. Yeah, he doesn't really look like him, but that's not the point. That is not the point. It's not if it looks like him. It's just, does the character actually look like somebody that would be... Okay, I don't know if that neck is supposed to... Let me look at that. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I did that neck piece right either. Obviously. But it doesn't matter. When you're drawing people, if the person looks good. So this is supposed to be two people fighting. I don't know if you can make that out. This guy's like doing a hand stand, trying to kick this guy, and this guy's like blocking it, like type. Yeah. This was supposed to be, I don't know, I think Movado on the gully side. If you want to know, if you find me. But that was back then. I don't even think it was actually Movado. I think it was just supposed to be some I used to listen to a whole lot of. Me no go nowhere, no. Me there, I see him where, yes. Me no go nowhere. There up on the gully side. If you want to know where you find me. Alright, so like this is Captain America, right? So he's like kicks this guy in the face, wha-bam. Then he uppercuts this guy, wha-bam. You know, he's still having a shield in his arm. This guy's in the background like, this guy's like trying to hit Cap's shield. You know what I mean? Cap. I used to draw like crazy. You can't be drawing and you don't draw a Pokemon, bro. At least one time. Pokegal, gotta catch 'em all. I know it's my destiny. I need her and she need me. Pokegal, gotta catch her, gotta catch 'em all. It's like Blastos. Jano. What's this? This is supposed to be Wolverine, obviously, and Hulk. But well, that's Wolverine's, side pick. But this right here is the headlock and the claws. We got rampaging Hulk, just running. Wow. What's this? Ultra Rugal. Alright, some more, was it Cyclops? I don't know. Or Havoc. Probably Havoc. Cyclops' brother. See if we can get a good look at that there. I just seen the X-Man belt, so I'm like, it's not Cyclops. Well, it probably could be, I don't know. With the eyes. I don't know. Did a lot of drawing, so I made up a lot of stuff. Some more stuff. This one is just more lines and circles. Lines and circles. see what else we got. Let's see what else interesting. Interesting. Oh, this one is another one of my favorite. Okay, so this one is Iron Man. The first one. This one here is Captain America from Marvel vs. Capcom 2. This is when he had on just the regular, that first time armor, 1991 or 92, or I don't know. It's Marvel vs. Capcom. This is a really nice one though. It's not as good as just looking at it now, it's like, man, I used to try so hard. But hey, I mean, it looks like what it looks like, right? Alright, so let's see. Got somebody here from Grand Theft Auto, obviously. Alright, so like this is my Prince of Persia now. You know what I mean? So I would see, it doesn't even look like the guy either, but like I said, me and him used to try. That's just the whole point. We used to try to make our characters look like something. Oh, this is a Kobe Bryant. I used to love drawing basketball and stuff too. I saw this and I was like, that's a Grand Theft Auto guy. I don't know who, but he got the baby. I don't know if that's what they call the baby Draco. I doubt it. I think I 5 to 7. No, the 7 to 9. 74. You got the 74. You got the 47. I don't know if that's what. I don't know. I need to find out what the lingo is. I think it's the AK 74 and the 47. Okay, so this here is Jiraiya. Back in the old days when he got on the flat jacket, we got Akuma here. This one's a nice one. It's Akuma, you know what I mean? I used to love drawing some Dragon Ball Z, boy. Some awesome. And then this is supposed to be Thor. Almost drew the entire Avengers. I just need a somewhat sketch of this is Sean from Third Strike. His arm is really, really short, but it's okay. I tried. Right? You see my shade? Got my shade going on. Yeah. Supposed to be Ryu. But no face. So we got the faceless Ryu. But check out the details. Pretty cool details, right? Yeah, like I said, I tried. Oh, this is me with a pen. Just a straight pen. So, like sometimes you be practicing, you be drawing, and you be like, all right, let me bust it with a pen. So when you do it with the pen now, you have to tell yourself, okay, I can't make mistakes. I have to just one time it. So this is supposed to be like Kung Lao. You know what I mean? Got a stance. Ready to bust a real Kung Fu martial arts technique. So that was just some of that there. Probably have one more that I tried to do some. Let's see. Yeah, I got another one here. Let me take this off. Let's see this one. All right, this one here is this one here is supposed to be Susano. Told myself, if I ever get a tattoo, I'd get this, But instead, I got this. So, that's my last name. I still love it. It's my mom's last name, actually. And then we got That's Zoske. You know what I mean? I think I did this. No, I didn't do it with a pen entirely. Could have never did that. Yeah, pretty cool. I think this is my name, Antonio, in kanji. Yeah, that says Zoske. Damn, I used to draw here, bro. Last but not least, we got one of my favorite characters. Yeah. Illest in the game, bro. Gotta understand. We are going on an hour now. Yeah, bro, I used to love drawing, bro. I used to love draw like crazy because I used to tell myself I'm more for the like comics, you know? Hold on, let me see if I have something else. Oh, yes, you do. Alright, so last one. But yeah, I used to say, I used to want to draw like crazy. My cousin gave me that book here still. Like, I think it was a sketchbook for drawing that, but it's got a lot of pages so I could start working. Now I could start doing something. So, check out this one. I don't know if you could see it. Basically, this guy here, he's mummified or a zombie. You know what I mean? That's why, this is his arm, and as you can see, it's shattering into paper. But this guy now, he, this technique is called the Raikiri. It's a lightning type technique. Yeah, so I was at my grandma's house when I drew this. I was like, I'm definitely gonna start drawing again. Anyway, it's not that important. Here goes the, so I showed you how I tried to do the Jiraiya one time, and then this was the, make out. The neck is like really long, right? So that goes still. And then, till now, our next one here, we did really good. And then there's just some sketch. Can't show you that one, yes, so that one that did look neat. You just try, to see if we did still have it one time. And I have that one there. Sword crooked still, but alright, and then I have one more, I think. Yeah. And I'm gonna read down there still. Yeah. But that was that. Supposed to be Dante, I guess, but didn't make out so much. Didn't finish that one though. But yeah, so I used to love draw. But probably that ability is just lying dormant in me, ready to be awoken. I think that's the right word, or the right sense. So I don't know. That was a lot of. Let me show you guys. I'll show you guys 4 more. We'll end it with those right there. I'm gonna end it with this 4 zine. Alright, watcha. So I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh a lot. And what I used to do is I used to get the mats from the the card packs at the Walmart or whatever. It come with a mat to show you where to put the cards at. So what I used to do, I used to customize my own mat. I used to do this on the background. You know what I mean? So like you'd have your mat, you could play with your mat like this, or you could play with your mat like this. You know what I mean? This was a Killer B. You could probably see him. He's right there. The glare. Yeah, there it goes. So the glare won't be so bad. He's a ninja. Can't really see his face as much, but and that's the beast that lies within him. So yeah, let me see how it looks. Killer B. Yeah, I used to the glare. Yeah, there you go. Alright. I guess because of the marker that I was using, it kind of started fading out. But oh yeah, they definitely started fading out, man. Cause this one was so awesome. I know you guys know this picture. You know what I mean? There you go. I ended up putting Dragon Ball Z. Should have been but yeah, that's supposed to be Goku and Vegeta, Super Saiyan 4. But yeah, like I said, it's the marker that I use to just faded out the colors. Gosh. Yeah, these are not gonna be good. But that's fine. I'm pretty sure I could redraw them. Not on the same, not with this, but this one was awesome. This was check this one out. So I should have showed you the mat on the other. Let me show you the mat on this side real quick. And I'm sitting on here for hours, for an hour now, talking about. This was the mat on the other side of the of this here. You know what I mean? Alright. This is supposed to be a zombie dragon. Then we got I think I showed you guys this, right? This is supposed to be Trunks and Gohan. And then up there we got Gohan and Trunks, you know what I mean? So we got Gohan Super Saiyan, and then Trunks when he came out of the hyperbolic time chamber with his dad. And up there we got future Gohan with the scar, and then little Trunks before he was able to turn Super Saiyan. So that was nice too, right? This one wasn't too bad. They actually look like the characters, you know what I mean? Keep saying if you know what I mean. They actually look like the characters still do, you know? Like I just threw the colors them start fade out. But let me see if I can actually get it real close. Isn't it like they actually look like Trunks? And I think I can. Yeah, you can't go see because let me say color them start fade out. But and then that one here, one of my favorite one. Yeah. But this one's my favorite. One of my favorite. This one is my favorite actually. Other than the Killer B one, because the Killer B one is my second favorite one. But this one, yeah, you already know. Vegeta, man. And you gotta give you that look like, bruh. Like you over there, so. So you not understand, you know. So you not get it, man. I so per se, and you know. Yeah, yo. It's a draw heavy. Yeah, heavy. I think the glare was in the way, but Should be good, right? Yeah. I was gonna put this up on the wall, but I didn't think I don't think it'd be visible enough. So yeah, that's me and drawing. I hope you guys and girls liked it. I hope we don't really get the well, I hope we don't really get the vibe. Say yo, what kind of channel I try to create for me, Just really, on a personal level, there's not really too much on my personal life. I try introducing it to it, but more or less, this lifestyle on the camera where I can portray um, the views of other Jamaican people in this, anime, manga world, comic slash cartoons, and other entertainment of far as the the drawing and you know gaming and whatever I could bring forth as far as what me enjoy, and what anybody else would find in similar, and their views on these things that's going on as far as Dragon Ball Super is done now, and there's a movie for it coming up at the end of the year, so that's gonna be really cool to look forward to. And like I said, everybody's looking forward for the new Marvel movies coming out, so can't wait to start. Put more content on the channel for me, and hoping to enjoy the little segment with the artwork when we did have, and as always, one love, All right.